Hi, welcome to my channel. I have here a Astron 32 inches LED TV. As you can see, the LED TV has no picture, but the backlight is good. This is the model of this LED TV. Let's remove all the screw. By the way, this channel is not yet monetized, so my dear friend, please help this channel by subscribing and fully watching with zero skip. Thank you. This video is 10 minutes long, so please don't skip and please subscribe. Some screws are very rusty. I can't remove it using screwdriver. It's a pain in my ass. Putting heat using hot air will do the job. Now, this is the board. It's an all-in-one board, or known here as combi board. And this is the top board of the LCD panel. This top board is very popular to my loyal viewers or subscribers. First, let's check the VCC for the top board or the 12 volts DC supply. After checking the 12 volt supply, measure the VON or VGH in other term. VON is the positive DC supply of the LCD panel. Now, let's measure the VCC 12 volts and the VON. VON voltage is around 26 to 32 positive volt supply. The 12 volt stable supply for VCC is present. Now, let's check or measure voltage to the VON. 0 volts, VON has no voltage. Let's go straight where the problem is. Locate or find the CKV signal has a kilo ohms reading. Now, I'm going to measure the CKV lines using a digital tester. The digital tester is set to ohms. First to test is the CKV1 and CKV2. CKV1 and CKV2 reading is 8 to 9 megaohms. Next, CKVB1 and CKVB2. The reading of the CKVB1 and 2 is 8 to 9 ohms also. Focus to my digital tester while I'm going to measure resistance. To CKV1 and CKVB1, CKV2 and CKVB2. CKV1 and CKVB2 and last CKV2 and CKVB1. Spot the kilo ohms reading. Focus to my tester. CKV2 and CKVB1 ohms reading is 2 kiloohms, 2.7 to be exact. Let's look closer using digital microscope. I will double check the reading of CKV2 and CKVB1.
Shorted. CKV2 and CKVB2. CKVB1.
After confirming the CKV's leak, I will cut one of the CKV line. CKV2 is the one that I will cut first. While cutting, once again, this is Jovid Tech PH asking for your help to this channel. Please subscribe and please share my videos. Thank you in advance. Carefully cut the line. After cutting this CKV2 line, measure the VON. If it's present, you are in the right side. If the VON is 0 volts again, go to the other side. For sure the other side has a leak CKV signals. Another reminder, don't cut in between the test point and hole that you see, or else the connection to the other side will disconnected too. Take a look while I'm cutting the line. Let's check if it's cut or not using buzzer mode to digital tester. After cutting CKV2, measure the VON. It must be 26 to 32 volts. As you can see, VON is present now. VON has a 32 volts positive supply now. But wait, there's more. This is not the end of the repair or this video. We have to cut all the CKV's line, also the SDVP, to avoid back job. I'm just joking. Back job is part of the technician life. I already cut all the CKV line and SDVP line. The reason why I cut all the line, including the SDVP, is to avoid another chance of leak or shorted lines. Once you leave the other CKV line connected, don't expect that your LED TV would last. Once the line have a leak, there's a lot of possibility that the problem will come back. Now, let's test the TV. The logo appear now, and the LCD is perfectly working now. By the way guys, this LED TV is from the other technician here in our hometown. Let's put back the back cover and test once again the TV. Let's input antenna signal or source input.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Once again, this is Jovid Tech PH. Thank you for watching. Let's leave this TV open overnight before giving it back to the owner.